Section 1.5 Special Pronunciation 1. The letter H is always silent. For example, Oda, Hola, Hombre, Hospital, Hotel, Hacha. 2. The letter D is silent when placed at the end of a word. For example, Ciudad, Universidad, Madrid, Actitud. 3. The letters P and T are pronounced differently in Spanish than in English. For example, Pisadra, tú, palma, techo, te. 4. The letter R is pronounced as a trilled R when placed at the beginning of a word, the end of a word, or in the form of double R. Edre doble. For example, radio, refrigerador, Pedro, ser, ver. 5. Letter R is also trilled when placed in the middle of a consonant and a vowel. For example, enrolar, tarde, miércoles, Enriquez, martes. 6. The letter U with a diaresis is pronounced as W, or a short U sound. For example, antigüedad, vergüenza. 7. The letter X is pronounced as Gus, but sometimes it is pronounced as H. For example, exacto, sexto, México, Texas. 8. The letter combination SC sometimes need to be pronounced as one sound, S, but sometimes it doesn't. For example, escape, pescado, disciplina, eslavo, piscina. 9. If the letter L or R is followed by a consonant, they should be pronounced together with the preceding consonant. For example, plaza, tren, bronquitis, gracia, dragón, tranquilo. Next, we'll cover useful sentence pattern. See you in the next video.